Amazon FBA shipping simplified. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you all about Amazon FBA shipping and just simplify everything. I know it's really daunting. When I first started, I was like, what are these terms? So we're going to go over everything. I have my notes down here so I don't miss anything. What happens is your product gets manufactured in your supplier's warehouse. Basically, it's going to go from the supplier to an inspection or freight forwarder to the international port. Next, it's going to get onto a vessel, so that's either a plane or a boat, and then it's going to go to a domestic port, and that will be in either the United States, Japan, Canada, the UK, anywhere that you are bringing it, like where you're shipping it to. That's where it's going to end up, okay? So next, it's going to go either to a freight forwarder again, or directly to Amazon warehouses. So let's talk trade terms. The first one that you're always going to see when you contact people on Alibaba is EXW. So basically what that means is when they give you a price, so let's say $4.10 they give you. So that is the price of manufacturing. That's it. No shipping, just manufacturing. So if they give you that price and they say no shipping, you're gonna have to get your own freight forwarder. That means that once they're done manufacturing it, it's gonna sit there and your freight forwarder is gonna have to go and get it. So like full obligation is on you, 100% all you have to do it. So your freight forwarder would then pick it up, bring it to the vessel or the international port and then bring it onto the vessel. And then they would hire somebody or you would hire somebody else in the United States, let's say, at the domestic port to bring it to Amazon. So it's really not that confusing, but I wouldn't recommend it for your first time. Now the next one is FOB, and this is basically 50% obligation on you. What happens is the supplier manufactures it, and then they bring it to the domestic port, and they put it on the vessel. And then after it gets on the vessel, everything is up to you. So then you would hire a freight forwarder in the United States or wherever it's going to at the domestic port to bring it to Amazon. So the next one is DDP, and that's delivery duties paid. What happens is your manufacturer or your supplier will manufacture your goods, and then they're gonna get their own shipping company, and you have already paid for it, so no worries there. But they get their shipping company to bring it to the international port, then put it on the vessel, then bring it to the domestic port, and then to Amazon. No obligation on you at all. Basically what you do for DDP is you tell your supplier, yes, I want DDP, air or sea, and then they'll handle the rest. They'll tell you when it's shipped, and then you'll get a tracking number, and then you track it all the way to Amazon, and then you get an email from Amazon saying, we got your shipment, and it should be ready within 24 to 48 hours. I would really recommend DDP just because it's so easy and you don't have to worry about anything. For myself, I'm gonna talk a little bit about my first shipment. So I was gonna do DDP Air. And then last minute, my supplier's shipping company decided that they didn't want to do it anymore. They didn't have time and it was gonna be like $300 more. So I was like, no, I'm gonna find my own shipping company. So I found my own shipping company and they did everything for me. They basically picked it up at my supplier's warehouse. They brought it to the international port, onto the vessel, to the domestic port, and then to Amazon FBA. It was awesome. So I mean, there are like special circumstances where you're gonna have to do things that you're not comfortable with. Next, I just wanted to talk a little bit about air shipping and sea shipping and how long it takes and just all that. Just so you guys have an understanding of how it goes. Air shipping will cost you about 40 to 50% more than sea shipping, but it's only going to take 8 to 10 business days. Now you can get express shipping, air shipping, and that will take 4 to 6 business days. But of course, that's going to be more expensive. So now sea shipping, like I said, it's usually about half price and it takes 25 to 35 days, business days of shipping. So basically, when you get a supplier to manufacture your goods, it usually takes them 10 to 30 days to get it done, and then 25 to 35 days on top of that. So I really like to stick with air shipping. I don't mind paying the extra because I'm selling earlier. I'm gonna let you in on a little tip, but what I would do in a circumstance where I don't have enough money, I would do part of my shipment air DDP, and then part of it sea DDP. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please give us a like. It helps us out a lot with getting our channel out there. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell. We'd love to see you around and get some feedback on what you think of our videos and what you would like to see in the coming weeks.